y'all, welcome back to another episode of Into the Woods. Y'all haven't seen the crew in a while, so they back with me again today. Say what's up.
What's up?
So what we gonna do is we gonna turn them steak and cheese into egg rolls today. So I'm gonna do one half of steak, I'm gonna do the other half of chicken, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blindfold them because I don't want them to know what is what. They are already going to want to say that the chicken is my favorite or the steak is my favorite, and I don't want them to be, you know, biased against what they already like. I bought this pack of steak here. So I know y'all tired of seeing these dang on chicken breasts, but I'm going to put these in the food processor because you. And then these are the egg rolls wrappers that we're going to use. Egg rolls are so easy to make, y'all. We done made these I don't know how many times, so we're going to show you how to do it today. We're going to use the same things in both the egg rolls. So we're going to add the onions in the egg rolls, and we're going to add the peppers in the egg rolls. So I'm going to have one pot cooking the steak. I'm going to have the other pot cooking the chicken. Also got 2 packs of cheese that I'm going to put in each pack of the egg rolls. And then I also got 2 sauces to dip the egg rolls in once they're done. So I got this sweet Vidalia onion. If you ever go to Subway and get this sauce on your sandwich, this is this. And then I got some sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. Let's get to this video. Egg roll, steak and cheese, challenge, battle, whatever you want to call it.
Battle Royale.
Yes. So you seen it here first. Into the Woods channel. Steak and cheese, chicken egg roll challenge. Chopped up good. If you want it a little bit more chunkier than that, that's fine. So just make it as small as you want it. With this Brazilian steakhouse seasoning, some onion powder, and then this pink Himalayan sea salt. Onion powder. So daddy just bought this. Well, we love these little, you know, type of seasonings. Add a little bit of garlic powder. So although it has garlic in the Brazilian one, I still just want to make sure I have that added garlic flavor. Hopefully I like this onion powder. Although I'm adding a fresh onion, I still like that added touch of onion. And I always add my garlic powder just to be on the safe side. I love that garlic powder. And then I'm going to add some of the Himalayan salt as well. Multitasking in the kitchen. And this is the steak. Chicken. Right now I'm just making sure that the chicken is ground up good. This one is more like it's going to be spicy because of that chipotle. And then I'm going in with some more garlic. That's one of my favorite ingredients. And I'm going with some more onion powder. And it's still a little bit of liquid in this chicken that I'm trying to just get reduced out. 4 cheese Mexican blend with Monterey Jack, cheddar, Asadero quesadilla cheeses. And then this one is the cheddar jack blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack cheeses. So, yeah, I think I should just mix the cheeses. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna mix it. So that way, you don't have to worry about it. How's that? So right now I'm just gonna mix everything together. And I have both the pots on a medium. Ooh, looking so good. See this. Alright. So we got our cheese. Just gonna melt everything in here nice and good. You can see the onions. See the string of cheese. Oh my goodness. Y'all see the string of cheese? Ooh. And it's still mixing. So you get about this many egg rolls. Rotate them around. Look how they look, y'all. And look how they look. Okay, y'all, so these are the finished egg rolls. So this is the chicken. This is the steak. The kids don't know which one it is. Thanks for tuning in to the video. We at the last part, the best part, the part that we talked about in the beginning of the video, which is the challenge part. So, again, the challenge is they're sitting at the table right now, blindfolded, waiting for me to come to the table with these egg rolls. I got 1 steak and cheese egg roll, and I got 1 chicken cheesesteak egg roll. So they're going to tell me which one they like best. And Daddy woke up just in time to be in the challenge. So I'm going to show y'all sneak peek steak. See a nice chunk of chicken in it. So everybody got their 2 things, the dipping sauce, sweet onion, and then I'm going to put the first one in y'all hand, okay? That I want everybody to taste. Okay. Emmy, taste this one. Put this one in your hand. But hold on. Put this one in your hand, Twan. Alright, put this in your hand, honey. And then put this in your hand, Daddy. Count to 3. You're going to take a bite. And then you're going to tell me if it's chicken or steak. 1, 2, 3. And you can dip it in whatever sauce you want. Can you tell Emmy if it's chicken or steak? Steak. A steak? Look at that Cowboys scarf on, y'all. We're gonna come back. It's chicken. Okay.
It's chicken.
Daddy.
It's just chicken.
Okay. Raise your hands. Who say chicken? Raise your hands. Who say steak? Okay. Put it down. You ate that whole one, bruh? Mm-hmm. Here you go. London.
I already know the other one is chicken.
Okay. Everybody smell it. What it smell like?
Cheese. I don't know.
Smells good.
Okay. Go ahead and taste it.
It's my sauce.
Does
I
it
know
taste
this one.
different from the first one?
Mm-hmm. This one is.
Don't be lying, y'all. If it tastes different, say it tastes different.
It does taste different.
Okay. So, I mean, what this one tastes like? Chicken or steak?
Chicken.
This one tastes like steak.
This one is steak.
Swan,
Steak.
show of hands. How many is steak? How many is chicken? All right. Did y'all taste it with the sauce?
No, I just tasted mine straight.
Me too. I didn't taste any sauce.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all ready for the answers? Take your
Yeah.
blindfolds off. So the first one was chicken.
Yeah, I knew
I
it.
knew it.
Yes.
I mean,
And then the
it's
second
kinda
one
easy.
was
Steak.
steak.
Mama, it's kind of easy. You only gave us 2.
I know, but it still was the texture, the smell.
It tasted like chicken.
So what?
Yeah, but it's all like chicken. It's just the spicy ones.
The sauce can, y'all. Hold up, do that again. Okay. And which one is that? The chicken or the steak?
This is chicken.
Okay.
To be honest, I like the barbecue one
You do?
better with the chicken.
Uh-huh.
It's
But the Vidalia,
funny, but when you taste
it goes with the steak
chicken,
really
you
good.
taste the other one.
Okay. So, which one does y'all like better? Now that y'all done tasted both of them, you know which one is which. You want to go with the chicken or the
Let me
steak?
taste. Let me do.
I want to go with the steak.
You want to go with the steak?
Steak is right because it tasted cheesy.
Okay.
All
with
of them
chicken.
have cheese.
So, both, how many for steak?
I have not tasted the chicken yet. I mean, it's
How
kind
you
of
haven't tasted the chicken
Well,
yet? We did the chicken
I
one
know,
first.
but I haven't tasted the chicken again. I mean, it's kind of 50-50. Depends on what sauce you use.
So it makes the sauce makes the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sauce makes the difference. It's harder when you put it in the sauce.
Okay. But y'all say y'all like the barbecue
think I'm
sauce
gonna
better
go
than the
with-
sweet onion?
I think,
Okay, so raise the hands. Which ones like the barbecue sauce better?
I don't like that.
And then which ones like the sweet onion? Lennon. Okay. So the barbecue sauce is the winner, but y'all didn't say which one was the better egg roll, the steak or the chicken.
Chicken.
I think I like the chicken egg roll better.
Yeah,
Which one you like better, Twan?
I go with steak.
Which one you like better?
But if I were to choose, I would pick the chicken one.
Oh my God, y'all chose my favorite one. See, I told y'all. But why didn't y'all choose the steak though?
Because,
And be honest.
I mean, the chicken has a little bit more flavor than the steak.
Yeah.
I feel like
Yeah, the chicken one just tastes better.
It did. Challenge number 1, down into the wood style. So this was the challenge of the chicken cheese steak versus the steak and cheese egg roll. Stay tuned for the next episode. Tell them peace out, y'all.
Peace out.
See you later.